Today, I will be going over how to create an invoice on Zoho Books and talk about some features that are available on this application. Let's get started. Under the Sales tab, click on the plus icon next to Invoices. This will navigate you to the Create a New Invoice page. Let's start off by adding the customer that you want to invoice. Here's a drop-down list of all the customers that are already added onto the system. You can create a new customer by clicking on this, filling out all the necessary information, and clicking Save. The next field is the invoice number, which is usually auto-generated, and it's used to identify the invoice. The invoice date is the date that the invoice is being created on, and the term section is where you can adjust the due date for your invoice. If you want to set it to a specific date, you can scroll down, click on Custom, and choose the exact date you want it to be due. The subject field is to let your customers know what this invoice is exactly for. And under this section, you can add the items to your invoice. Here you can also adjust the quantity, tax rate, discount rate, shipping charges, and adjustments. If you would like to add another item to your invoice, you can click on this button. If you want to delete an item that's already added onto the invoice, you can click on this X right here. You can also add customer notes and pre-configure terms and conditions on the Settings tab. Zoho Books is integrated with major online payment gateways to help you collect your money online. To set up your payment gateway, you can click on this button, choose the gateway, and integrate it with the system. Once you're done filling out all the necessary information, you can save it as a draft, or you can save it and send it directly to your customer. Currently, we are on the Invoices module, and on the left navigation panel, you can view all of the invoices and records that have been created. When your customer makes a payment, the invoice will be marked as paid, and it will automatically create a payment receipt out of that. To view that payment receipt, you would click on the invoice number, click on Payments Received Number, and click on this, and this will take you to the Payments Received module. Over here, you can view a record of all the payments that have been received from your invoices, and you can find more specific information for each invoice. You can also convert existing estimates to invoice with the click of a button, where their information will automatically be pre-filled from the estimate. You can automate this by clicking on the Settings tab on the top right corner, click Preferences, scroll down to Estimates, and click on this third option here. Zoho Books will automatically convert that to an invoice and send them to your customer. This will save you a lot of time and energy by automating workflows. You can set up the software to automatically perform your tasks, like sending recurring invoices, setting payment reminders, tracking expenses. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.